Hello, my dear boys. All of you are welcome to my online physics class. Hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty. In our previous class, we have started our new chapter, and the chapter is chapter 8. The name of this chapter is Reflection of Light. Today, this is another lecture from this chapter. Today we will discuss about almost 4 topics, and today's topics are absorption of light, number 2 reflection from smooth and rough plane, then I will discuss mirror, and today I will discuss only about plain mirror. Okay, and finally today I will discuss about image, what is called image or type of images. Okay, so this is our today's topics, and today we are going to discuss another most important 3 topics. So let's boys discuss step by step. Today our first topic is absorption. Okay, our first topic is absorption. Much of the beauty of the world around us comes from different colors. Okay, but how does the color appear? We see that the rose is red. Now question is, why the color of a rose is red? We see that the leaves of trees are green. Now our question is, why the leaf of trees are green? All of the answer of this question comes from absorption of light. We know that the white light the white color consists of 7 color, or reversely we can say that 7 color in the 7 color we have discussed in our previous class: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. These 7 colors creates white color or white light. Okay, we know that every in normal light every wavelength is present. Okay, since colors depend on the wavelength of light, it can be said that light of all color are present there. Okay, when all colors are present, then we call the color is white color or colorless. Okay, so again our question is, what is color, or how can we see a rose is a color of red? The answer is when this light falls upon a red rose, when a white light falls upon a red rose, then the rose absorb all the colors except red. Okay, I am repeat it again. When the white color, which is consist of 7 colors, okay, when the white color falls upon a rose, then the rose absorb all of the colors except red. Only red color reflects and come to our eyes. Only red color reflects and comes to our eyes. So because of why we see that the color of rose is red. Again, the answer for second question, why the leaf of trees are green, the answer is same. When white light falls upon a leaf of a tree, then it absorbs all color except green color. So the green color reflects from the leaf to our eyes, and we see the leaf of the trees are green. Okay, so this is why the theory of absorption is very, very important. And white is not a color. Again, black is not the color. Okay, white means all the light reflects from this surface. All the light rays reflects from this surface. So we see that the color is white, or we can say that the place is colorless. Okay, and black means the surface absorbs all the colors. Okay, black means all the surface absorbs all the colors. If the surface absorbs all the colors, then we say that this is black. Okay, so black and white are not color. Okay, so this is our absorption part. In our next topics, we will discuss on reflection from smooth and rough surface. Now our topics is reflection from smooth and rough surface. You see that figure 1 as a smooth surface and figure 2 as rough surface. Okay, in figure 1 we see that the parallel light rays become parallel. The parallel light rays become parallel after reflection from mirror or smooth plane surfaces, because each ray obeys the laws of reflection. Okay, each ray obeys the laws of reflection and reflects with an angle of reflection equal to the angle of incidence. Okay, so this type of reflection is called regular reflection. Okay, I am repeat it again. Parallel light rays become parallel after reflection. Parallel light rays become parallel after reflection from mirrors or plane surface, because each ray obeys the law of reflection and reflects with an angle of reflection equal to the angle of incidence. Okay, this type of reflection is called regular reflection. Okay, and the second is in figure 2 you see a rough surface. Okay, here you see that the reflection ray of parallel rays are not parallel. Okay, the reflection rays are not parallel for parallel incidence rays. Okay, if the plane is not smooth, every ray of light will obey the law of reflection, but the rays are incident at different angles at different point of the plane. Okay, therefore the ray will reflect in different angles after reflection. After reflection, the reflected ray are not parallel. Okay, from figure you see that the reflected ray are not parallel for parallel incident rays. Okay, after reflection, the reflected rays are not parallel and spread in different direction. Okay, this type of reflection is called irregular reflection. This type of reflection you see in figure 2 is called irregular reflection. Okay, so here we get two definition. One is regular reflection and another is irregular reflection. These two definition is very important for knowledge based question. Okay, now we will discuss another topic, and that is mirror and plane mirrors. Now our topic is mirror and plane mirror. Okay, now what is mirror? The reflecting surface is called mirror. Okay, simply the reflecting surface is called mirror, and we have two types of mirror. One is plane mirror and another is spherical mirror. We have two types of mirror. One is plane mirror and another is spherical mirror. And now I will discuss about plane mirror. In this topics I will discuss about plane mirror. What is plane mirror? We use plane mirror in our day-to-day life for dressing our hair or something like that. Okay, so all of us have seen mirrors. In a mirror, a clear image is formed due to uniform reflector. Okay, all of us have seen mirror, and in a mirror a clear image is formed due to uniform reflector. Okay, so how to make a mirror? How to make a mirror? The answer is a silver layer is placed behind a glass as mirror for proper reflection. Okay, so a silver layer is placed behind a glass to make a plane mirror. Okay, a silver layer is placed behind a glass to make a plane mirror. Okay, so this silver layer helps us to create a proper reflection. Okay, we have two part of reflector, the first surface and the inner surface. The first surface and the inner surface, or first part of the mirror and the inner part of the mirror. Okay, so 4% light is reflected from the front part of a mirror. Only 4% light is reflected from the front part of a mirror. Okay, but the back part reflects fully and forms the original image, and you have to know that the original image is very important for our optical instrument like telescope. Okay, the silver or aluminum layer is coated on the glass surface so that the two images, one 4% and another layer for 96% clear, are not formed, rather it forms a 100% clear image. Okay, so mirror is very important, and the original image is also very important for our optical instrument like telescope. Okay, you have to remember that the first part of the mirror reflects 4% light, and the second part of the mirror reflects another 96% light, and rather it forms a 100% clear image. Okay, so in our next topic we will discuss on image. And our topic is image. Now, what is image? After reflection of the mirror, we see another picture in the glass mirror or plane mirror of an object. This picture is called the image. Okay, so in front of the mirror, like plane mirror, when you stand in front of a mirror, you see your own image. The closer you stand, the image seems to appear at the same distance behind the mirror. Okay, if we stand to define the position of the image using geometry, we need to draw at least two rays. Okay, in our ray diagram, I will discuss about it. We need to get a image of an object, we need to draw at least two rays. Okay, and the image we see in a mirror is not actually real, even though it seems real. Okay, the image we see in a mirror is not actually real, even though it seems real. This is because light is not actually coming from the place it appears to be coming. So this type of image is called virtual image. So we can get different types of image. So image in a mirror will be one equidistance from the mirror. Okay, from the mirror, equidistance from the mirror. So image in a mirror will be equidistance from the mirror. Okay, number 2, image can be virtual or image can be real. In plane mirror, our image is virtual. Okay, not only mirror, we can write plane mirror. Okay, so image in a plane mirror will be equidistance from the mirror, and virtual. 3, straight. Straight, and number 4, equal to the size of the object. Okay, so image in a plane mirror will be equidistance from the mirror, and it will be a virtual image. The image will be straight and equal to the size of the object. Okay, So this is all from today. In our next class we will discuss about spherical mirrors and some important definition on a spherical mirror and relation between the radius of curvature and focal length. Okay, so boys, thank you very much all of you to watching my online class. So thank you boys.